Hello, very good morning. Alright, my dear students, allow me to introduce myself. My name is teacher Jahir Lopez, and I'm gonna be more than glad to assist you in today's English class, obviously. So, let me tell you, I'm from Cartagena, I'm 37 years old, and I really love languages because it's like the opportunity that you have in order to share good experiences and meet people from around the world, all right, from with people actually who doesn't speak your own language. What else? I'm studying modern languages, emphasis in English and French at the Uniminuto University at the morning schedule, all right. I'm in seventh semester, and I love rock music. I love watch series in English, of course, because I consider that you must get as many English exposure as be possible, because that is what is going to help you to get a better English fluency. Okay. What else? I'm married. All right. I have a beautiful son. His name is Jesse Enrique, but I call him Kike. He's 7 years old, as I mentioned it. And what else? I love like share time with my family, and I really love to be so serious in my job and also in my studies. I try to do all the best for me in order to always show up like a good researchers. Okay. What can I tell you about my personal life? I have traveled around the world that allow me to the opportunity to get a lot of experience hearing British English, American English, Canadian English, etc., etc. So I have plenty friends around the world. I have visited more than less like 20 countries, because the opportunity, the job that I got, it was as a bar server in a cruise ship. My ID number is 73208-233. Okay? And lately I present my test, my English test. Oh, sorry, I must keeping around here. Yes, it's here. As a proficiency English speaker, sorry. And this is the one. Okay. So it's from this year actually, and these are my score. By the moment, grammar and listening is a C, speaking is V2, and writing V1. And the overall score by the moment is proficiency in V2 score. Okay, perfect. That is everything about me. I really wish to become a professional, to improve my English as better as I can, and continue traveling, continue teaching, because it's my passion, and of course to get the magister. All right, it's my dream by the moment. Okay, so keeping in a context that, guys, we are going to start with this amazing English class. Okay, look at that, the crazy recipe. Holy Lord, this is gonna be so interesting. I hope that you love and that you like to cook. All right. If you love to eat, you must love to cook. I hope so. So, in the order of ideas, we are in this environment. All right. Could you tell me what place is this? It's like a what? A kitchen, correct? Not a chicken. That is another thing. A kitchen. Okay. And in the order of ideas, guys, we have an important vocabulary to put in a context here. So let me just move. There we go. So look at that. We have an excellent vocabulary to keep in account at the moment when you will be preparing any recipe or any favorite food or something like that. Let's gonna guess that is your mother birthday, your father birthday, or probably you are in the mood to prepare something delicious for yourself. So in that order of ideas, we have some expression like roll out, rolling pin. All right, is the tool that you use if you're interested to prepare some pizza or something like that. All right, another 10 is chop, chop. There we go. So cook is the elementary things to prepare the food, okay, in general. On net, can you see this little girl, okay, that is preparing the ingredients at the same time before to create the shape to cook the pizza. Is that clear? So we have dice, look at this, slice of bread, okay, and squeeze strong, all right. If you are crazy about orange juice or probably lemonade, okay, you have to squeeze the fruit properly in order to get the liquid, the juice. All right, so in that order of ideas, we have layer, we have microwave oven to bake. This is important because after that you create the pizza, or let's gonna guess like a turkey, you need to put it inside the oven. That's correct. And in that order of ideas, you have to wait between half hour, 1 hour, 45 minutes, we never know. Sorry, move it. And taste everything. Can you imagine? You are cooking a soup and you have to taste if it is in a really good taste, or probably have a really like a salty culture, things like that. Now we have add some salt, add some spicy, add some ingredients, okay, to whip. All right, look at that. We have tools as a whisk and bowl. Bowl is where you are gonna put all the ingredients. We have grate. Do you like cheese? So when you put cheese into the food, all right, that is gonna be like a grate the food. So in other words, we have fry, pour, break the eggs, magister, right? Measure the food, all right. That is especially like the amount of food that you are going to prepare. There we go. By the other hand, we have carve with a knife and with a fork, okay, and grill. I love grill. I think that after the New Year night, all right, the 1st of January, mostly people, Colombian citizens, they prepare grill, all right, in order to have a fun. Sprinkly. Have you seen that famous Turkish chef that sparkling the salty like sweets? That is sparkling. Okay, so the activity right now is that we are going to put in a contest how to prepare an excellent food. All right, but it's not gonna be like what to do or something like that. We are gonna do it in a really special way. Which is the special way? For sure. So in that order of ideas, guys, we are going to choose first, for the process, choose your birth month. Teacher, how come? No, don't worry. First of all, we are gonna select the month, all right, of our birth. In my personal case, I was born in May, all right, on May the 8th, 1984. So I'm 37 years old. That's correct. You catch me. So on May the 8th, all right, 1984. So our strategy for the plate that I'm gonna prepare is great. Okay, great here. So that is cool. Now, second, for the product, select your ID last number. Do you remember that I mentioned it is 73 208 233? So number 3, bacon. Oh my goodness. So gray bacon? Interesting, eh? Sounds delicious. And the last one, finally, to accompany this delicious recipe, your name's first letter. Oh, okay. So your name's first letter. In that order of ideas, I am starting with the letter J. J as in July. So J, it should be this one. Sausage. Oh my goodness. So the product that I'm gonna realize at this cook season is great bacon. All right, what is bacon? There we go. Great bacon with some Germany sausages. That sounds so special. And I hope to have like a kind of orange juice. Probably. What do you think? That looks delicious. Okay? Okay, guys, that is all for now. I hope that you have fun with me. And, well, I hope that you continue practicing your English, okay? My big pleasure. I hope to see you in the next opportunity. Have a fantastic rest of the day. And remember, keep practicing. Practice, do the master. Take care. Bye-bye.